Y'all, on the real, Outre has knocked it out of the park again. Like, what? It's not human, it's synthetic. Outre, you're giving me what I need.
Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, plus you gon' get right with the head to do respect. Como se dice, se pato o plomo, van taking it easy like poco.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new Outre unit. This is from the Outre 360 collection line. I'm wearing this one in the style Andreina and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So since this is from the 360 line, you do get the lace that goes all the way around the circumference. So it does go in the back as well. So you can put this unit in and up to if you feel the need to. It does come with 13 by 6 HD lace. It comes free, black girl. It comes with baby hairs. Let me just come in and show you guys what this hairline is looking like. Outre. This may be one of the best Outre hairlines that I have laid my hands on. Outre, you're giving me what it is I need for you to be giving me. So the length on this one is 24 inches as listed on the star card. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it does come about just to my boobs. So this unit is a human hair blend, which I definitely did notice because I was running my hands and everything through it, and it is a curly unit, so I did expect a good amount of shedding and tangling, but I did not get that all, honey. I did get some snags, but it did literally got like just a couple strands of shedding. The quality and integrity of the hair is nice. Even with running my hands through it, I feel like the curls are still prevalent, honey. You can always go in and add some mousse if you're trying to like liven the curls back up, but I just really love how they are. I didn't go in and finger comb it too much just because, y'all, this unit is giving me me everything that I feel like it needs to be giving me. Parting it and everything like that was just no problem at all. Like I said, the quality of the hair feels nice. The density on it, this is all the hair to the front. I feel like I definitely would say that this is summer approved, specifically because of the fact that it looks bigger than what it is. I want to say the density is around 150%, definitely a good amount of density. This is everything all the way to the front, but it's not a crazy amount of hair, if that makes sense. I don't know how they did it, but they made it look like a good amount of hair without actually necessarily being a good amount of hair, so I'm here for it. So it's lightweight on my head. The density is really nice. It's what I like to be seeing. The texture on it is pretty nice as well. I definitely would not say it's silky, so I'm here for that. I wouldn't say it's yucky though either. It's something in the middle. I don't know what to call it, but I'm here for it. It's more so on the softer side. It's definitely not dry or anything like that. Just like I'm telling y'all, I'm not gonna say that it's like human hair, but it feels like higher quality than just typical synthetic hair, if that makes sense. So I definitely am here for that aspect of it. The stock card doesn't say anything about adding heat, so I definitely would be cautious if you plan on trying to add heat to this bad boy. I really don't think you need it though, honey. I was able to go in and style it and lay it down to my liking without getting any hump action or nothing like that. The quality of the cap and everything like that seems like it's really, really good. As far as the cap size is concerned, I would definitely say it's small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. The cap size is not super tight at all. It doesn't have the most stretch. It is fitting my head pretty secure, and I do have a small to medium size head. I do think if you have a large size head, this is possibly one that you could get away with wearing, but I definitely would stray on the side of caution, especially because with the lace on this one, it does go ear to ear, honey. They get the sideburns and all that going on, and I was able to kind of get it going, but I feel like just barely. So I do think if you have a larger size head, that would be possibly an issue that you could run into with this unit. So let's just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit, honey. Outre, you my soul sister girl, because I have no cons with this unit. Once again, I know y'all gonna get sick of me saying I have no cons, but I really have no cons. Like, girl, let's just pop into the pros of this unit. The pros, the hairline is giving everything that it should be giving. Like, Outre keeps setting the bar so high. I feel like after this unit, if you guys are not coming this hard in the future, I don't know what to tell you, because this is perfection. This is what I've been looking for. The density of the hair, the quality of the hair, the parting space, the fact that it's versatile, the fact that it is also the 360, so you can go in and throw it up all the way if you want to. The baby hairs. Outre is like setting the standard. They're setting the standard for me, honestly. And I truly feel like if you pick this unit up, you will not be disappointed. I feel like this is definitely going to be one that you can put some maintenance into and definitely get it to last longer than a lot of these other units that are out there. So I'm absolutely here for that. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon.